The federal health minister has raised concerns about the spread of measles across the country. CTV National's Scott Hurst joins us live now with more on this. Scott, good morning. Good to see you. What are the latest cases on measles here in Canada?
Good morning, Jen. And that concern from the federal health minister due to a global rise in measles cases that is raising alarm bells here in Canada, as we're starting to see cases pop up in at least 4 provinces right now, 5 here in Ontario, 10 cases in Quebec, 1 in Saskatchewan, and 1 currently in British Columbia. That's the first case in that province since 2019. And medical experts are warning about waning vaccination rates. We've heard over the last couple of years, as there's been so much focus on COVID shots, we've let lax all of our other shots, and that is of significant concern as we're seeing cases pop up in many parts of the country. The federal health minister speaking out, Quebec health officials going public with their concerns, and in York region, just north of Toronto here, a man infected with measles had close contact with students and staff at a high school, warns the regional medical officer of health, inviting those who may have been potentially exposed to a weekend immunization clinic. Now, according to federal data from 2021, more than 91% of 2-year-olds had received at least 1 dose of a vaccine against measles, but only 79% of 7-year-olds had received 2 doses. So that is part of the concern for Canadian health officials, whether it's at the federal level to the municipal level, waning vaccination rates as we're seeing a global rise in measles now starting to raise alarm bells here in this country.
Yeah, Scott, and we've also heard from Toronto Public Health, that measles is just 1 plane away, and to urge people to check their vaccination records, make sure they're up to date with their measles vaccinations. Scott Hurst reporting live. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Jen.